Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken liver mousse. First, carefully trim 1 pound of chicken livers, ensuring all connective tissue is removed for smooth texture. Next, soak the cleaned livers in milk for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for mellowing their strong flavor. While they soak, prepare your other ingredients. Finely dice 1 small shallot, measure out 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and have 2 tablespoons of good quality brandy ready. This initial preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious mousse. Now let's cook those livers. In a medium skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add your finely diced shallot and sauté until it's translucent and fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the drained chicken livers to the pan. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes, just until they are lightly browned on the outside but still slightly pink inside. Finally, pour in 2 tablespoons of brandy to deglaze the pan, scraping up any flavorful bits from the bottom. This creates a rich base for your mousse. With the livers cooked, it's time to blend. Carefully transfer the cooked chicken livers, along with all the pan juices, into a food processor. Add 4 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter, cut into pieces, along with a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Process the mixture for about 2 minutes, or until it is incredibly smooth and creamy with no visible chunks. You might need to scrape down the sides a few times to ensure everything is incorporated. This step is key for that luxurious texture. For the ultimate silky texture, press the warm mousse through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This extra step removes any remaining small bits and ensures a truly luxurious consistency. Now, transfer the mousse into a ramekin or small serving dish. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring the wrap touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Chill the mousse in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set. Serve with toasted baguette slices or crackers. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money. Enjoy your homemade chicken liver mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.